Okay, students, in this short video, I want to teach you how to do conversion from improper fraction to mixed number. Okay, so you pay attention first. So the first thing that we can see over here, this is the improper fraction, and then we want to have a mixed number after the conversion. So we can see here, this is the denominator. We have the same denominator over here. Okay, the first fraction and the second fraction. And then what we need to decide is over here first. So what is the number that we should write over here? Now, so if you see this one, we have 12 over here, right? So we just think of multiples of 12. Multiples of 12 is like this, right? We have 12 and then 24, we have 36, 48, and so on. Yeah, so but we just see, right, we deal with the small number, right? 15, right? I think we can only go to 12 over here, right? If we use 24, it will overflow, right? We cannot use this one, 24, so we just use 12 over here. 15 minus 12, we have 3 over here. Now, and then 12 divided by 12, we know is 1, and then we just copy from the fraction above, and then we know this one is 1, 3 out of 12, and then what we need to do is simplify it. I think we just divide by 3 over here. Divide by 3, then we know this one. We just have the same whole number. We just simplify the fraction part. So this one is 1. Then the 12 divided by 3 is 4. So 1 out of 4. Okay, I show you again another one with number 2 over here. So number 2, same thing. We copy the fraction, the denominator first. Right? We have first fraction and second fraction. We deal with this one first. We copy denominator, and then after that you see multiples of 10. And then you know, oh, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on, right? But we do not go too far, right? Because this one, the number is only 24, right? I think we just can use the 20 over here. So this 20 is the greatest multiples of 10 that is close, that is less than 24. Yeah, so smaller than 24. So we have 20 over here. 24 minus 20, we have 4, and then 20 divided by 10, we know this one is 2, and then we just copy the fractions from above, and then we have 2, 4 out of 10, and then we do the simplest form, divide by 2, and then the whole number is still the same. We just divide by 2 for the fraction part. So this is 2, this is 5. 2 out of 5. Okay, so I hope from this simple exercise, simple examples over here, you can do your own you try it on your own for number 3 and number 4. Okay, you pause the video, try to do it on your own. After you have finished number 3 and number 4, you start the video again, and then check your answer with compare it with my answer. Okay, you can pause your video now. Okay, students, you check your answer now. So this is number 3 and number 4. So we have the same denominator, right? Same denominator. After that, we have the multiples ready, and then check the multiples, which number that we want to use. Right? In this case over here, right, 28, and then we see 24 is the closest one to 28. That is smaller than 28. Yeah, and then how do we know 24 divided by 8? We know it from multiplication table, right? And then if you do not know, you can see, you can check over here, right? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so this 24 divided by 8 is 3. And then this one is the number that you have, and then you just make it simplest form. Same case again with number 4. Have the same denominator, and then you find the multiples of 12 that is closer to the 40, smaller this to 40. Yeah, and then you have 36. 40 minus 36, you have 4, and then you just see 36 divided by 12, this is over here is 3, and then you just add up and then have simplest form. Okay, so you try again with number 5 and number 6. Okay, you can pause your video now, and then you try to do it again. Okay, so this is the answer for number 5 and number 6. Check your answer again. Yeah, so please remember, have the same denominator. After that, you list down the multiples, then decide what is the number that we should put in here. And then after that, 55 minus 45, and then you get the number 10 over here. Then you do it 45 divided by 15, you have 3, 1, 2, 3, right? And then you just copy the fractions, you do it, and then do simplest form. Same thing again here, have the same denominator 18, and then you list down the multiples of 18. You can see, oh, this is the 54 is the closest one to the 63. Huh? The smaller multiples of 18 that is closest to the the multiples 18 that is smaller than 63. Yeah, and this is closest. Okay, so this one 54. Now we use 54, 63 minus 54, you have 9, and then you just do it step by step like this again. 54, you see 1, 2, 3, you have 3 over here. And then copy the fractions from above, you do it, and then do simplest form, and then you are done. Okay, so that's it that we can see. We can learn from improper fraction to mixed number. I hope by having more exercises, and then you can master this one very quickly. Yeah, okay, so that's it. I hope I see you again in the next video. Okay, thank you.